1111 is a nonprofit arts organization. We really believe that art is at the center of our humanity and that it is really important to value and to protect it and to honor it and to give people the opportunity to express themselves.
This mural is called Kiss the Ground. It was done in association with Kiss the Ground, which is a soil health advocacy.
We were just a group of individual strangers sitting in my living room, and now we've grown to becoming an internationally recognized organization, really at the epicenter of inspiring a movement around regenerative agriculture.
We ourselves have been very interested in finding the intersection between environmental advocacy and the arts.
And so the mural is focused on soil health and the life that is largely invisible to us under the surface of the earth. It shows a number of my friends of all different ethnicities, ages, genders, kissing the ground, which of course is a unifying force underneath humanity, and a very stylized idea of how carbon is projected into the earth and how that restores or enlivens the soil.
The idea was great, it resonated with us, and we came across the California Arts Council Artist and Communities Grant. From scouting locations and looking at different walls to writing the proposal, it took about a year.
In the end, we probably had 25 different people working on it.
The key to every successful public art project is in the strength in partnerships and collaboration. Part of the reason why this mural project is so successful is because those partnerships and those collaborations were nurtured from the very onset.
It was all designed on Photoshop first. For the following 4 or 5 days, it was a few family members, a couple friends. You know, they were coming in a few days, I think, during the weekend. Then we had a big student day a week after we'd put it up on the wall. There were a few days where I had 2, 3, 4 people with me, all friends, who were volunteering their time.
Everybody that's involved should feel empowered by the project that they're working on and the people that they're working with.
We've had this beautiful opportunity this wall to showcase various initiatives that Cafe Gratitude has aligned with in the past. The impact of it is amazing. What strikes me, first of all, is this sense of what's happening beneath the soil, not only what's above it. So it's an amazing mural.
I don't know of many public monuments that celebrate soil, so I hope that it will have, you know, a nice sort of unique pocket there. So it acts as a constant reminder to people, this is something to love, this is something to be concerned about, this is something to learn about.
The biggest block for action is the block that's in our minds. I think this is really a beautiful way to awaken curiosity and awaken new understandings where people wouldn't necessarily just see it if it was a message or something literally written.
Murals have inspired me constantly to love people, to care about different things, and now at this one, it's going to keep me thinking about the environment every single day.
It was said, you know, public art, private awakenings. And I think that is the power of murals.
Art, poetry, music goes beyond the intellect and impacts our hearts.
Everyone that was part of this project was excited because everyone believed in the value of the project and because everybody believed in the message behind the mural.